All right, we're trying to figure out if this nasty improper fraction, if this side is equal to this side. Well, what we have to do first is simplify both sides. Look at the left, and we need to multiply by the secondary denominator, and that would be b over b. So those b's cancel, so you're left with a over bc equal. Now look at the right-hand side. And your secondary denominator is this c, so I need to multiply top and bottom by c. And that would be AC, those c's cancel, over b. Now if you look, you've got AB on both sides. So divide both sides by a over b, and you're left with 1 over c equals c. And if I clear my fractions, I'd multiply both sides by c, and those c's cancel, and I'm left with 1 equals c squared, or c squared equal 1. So that's really what I'm trying to find. Now let's look at your clues. Clue 1 says a equals 1. It tells me nothing about c. It doesn't work. Clue 2 says what? C equals 1. Well, 1 squared equal 1. So I've got information about c. That is the answer because it gives me a true statement. So my answer is B. Only clue 2 worked. If you need to review complex fractions, that's in one of those initial emails that was sent out. There's a video about complex fractions. It was included on the Saturday that I taught all day.